Hey guys, it's Kay. I'm back with another swatch sesh. Today I'm featuring the VYL-01 Nail Paint Pens and why, as a nail polish enthusiast myself, I genuinely do not believe that this brand is going to receive any actual prolonged support from the nail polish community or, for that matter, from anyone who actually paints their nails and wants them to look nice. In my worthless opinion, this is a prime example of something that appears to want to be so different and stand out so much from the crowd for being unordinary and just going against the mainstream that it purposely made itself suck. It's just so bad. Let's go ahead and swatch these first, and then I'll cover why the formula, the cost, the application, and the brush all get both of my thumbs down. So here we have the packaging and the paint pen. It comes with a rubber sleeve and a little hook at the end so that you can carry it around, I guess. The instructions say to shake the pen before each use, and I'm going to start off with our glossy black paint pen. As I transition into application, I encounter the first reason this is a fail of a nail product. I have the Orly Bonder base coat underneath, and they clearly don't like each other, probably because the paint pen has a water-based formula. Although if anyone has any clues or actually knows why this is happening, please enlighten me. The formula is unfortunately being repelled, I guess you can say, and it's leaving behind these patches or spots of bare nail. This is happening all across the nail, and if I have to buy a different base coat to use this pen, then I simply wouldn't use this pen at all. Or I could just skip using a base coat, but I know better and that's not an option for me. I'm gonna go back and try to fix what I can, and you can't see the pauses here, but I waited in between to go over these areas, which did help. In some places I had to go back a third time and then a fourth time, but after that everything seemed to look good. The brush also leaves these little bristle impressions on the base of the nail, so to fix that you'd have to use a cleanup method, but not to clean up, just to fix what was done by a badly designed brush, in my opinion. Or you can grab the paint pen and trace over those impressions to smooth them out. Little unnecessary steps that personally I do not spend time on because nail polish does not cause that issue. Now I'm testing their matte black paint pen also over the Orly Bonder base coat, and I'm not going to paint over my ring fingernail because some of you know that nail has been under construction since February, and I don't want to risk portraying the formula in an erroneous way because that nail has things on it, so I'm just gonna mark a big X on it. As I'm swatching my index finger, I'm noticing no issues applying the matte black over my base coat, which is great. It seems that the glossy version is the only problematic one. Now to me this looks like any matte black polish would, but these formulas are thinner, so it doesn't really feel like I have anything on my nail. And because I have longer nails, I do appreciate the thickness of nail polish due to the extra protection it provides to my nails. Also, I didn't wear a top coat, and this matte finish was gone by the end of the day. It is normal for matte finish to lose that matte effect over time, but this one won the race. For my pinky, I actually removed the Orly Bonder base coat and I applied Mooncat's base coat, and both the glossy and matte paint pens worked well over it. I did the left side in glossy and the right side in matte. I kind of did a split down the middle and I got perfect coverage with just one swipe, so that may have been a fix, but I would go back to try this on all nails just to be safe and actually confirm that this is a good match for it, because by the way, currently they do not sell a base coat or a top coat. So TLDL, I do not believe nail polish enthusiasts will get into this because number one, in no particular order, is the cost. It's $29 each or $55 for the pair. I really think they're trolling us. The price is really up there compared to some of the best one coat black polishes that are already on the market with added benefits like a nice fan or paddle style brush and just getting more formula, almost double the formula for a lower price. Let's talk about that brush. This is one of those areas where I think this product failed the best. I wasn't expecting a miniature brush from this thick bottle. For comparison, I have a Cirque paddle or fan style brush next to it, and the size difference is very there. Now, why they went with such a wee little brush is a mystery to me. Another thing is that this slanted angle can create this staggered or staircase type of pattern at the base of the nail if you're not good at maneuvering it. But you all saw that I went back to kind of outline the base of my nail at one point to get a cleaner look around my cuticle, an extra step that I don't take when applying nail polish. Moving on to the third reason, which is the water-based formula. You all saw that patchy application. The last thing I expect
expected from any nail paint product is that it would need a specific base coat for it to work correctly. I've never had that happen to me before, and I'm sure there are great water-based nail products out there, but I wouldn't say this one in particular is great because of my fourth reason, which is application. It was awkward. I can eventually get used to the feeling of painting my nails with glave sticks, but why should I? It would have been a lot more comfortable to use this pen if it was longer and thinner. Let me note that I swatch my right hand and I am right-handed, but I had to change my entire swatch shot because I needed that extra stability, and I paint my nails a lot. It was still harder than it already is to swatch my dominant hand. With nail polish, you can push the formula around and not necessarily have to be super precise with placement, but because this is like a marker, it's a paint pen, I had to be considerably more aware of placement, and I had to anchor my left elbow in order to swatch. I just kind of wondered who this product is being made for or marketed to. I don't know if there's a community of nail paint pen enthusiasts that I don't know about, but as a person who likes painting their nails, I didn't like painting my nails with this. I had to alter almost every step of my nail painting process to accommodate this product's design, but on a positive note, we have officially found vanilla bean and mineralized new roommates. Yes, these are going straight to my unlucky bag, and you can watch my Cirque Lucky Bag video if you want to know what I'm talking about. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button. I am looking forward to those comments down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!